Imagine a world where all you need to kickstart an online business in 2024 is a smartphone, an internet connection, and perhaps a laptop. A world where the opportunity to make money online is greater than ever before. But beware of distractions, they often lead you astray from the real deal. I've seen teenagers out-earning their teachers using a simple content creation method. I've witnessed middle-aged men, once unemployed and penniless, now thriving as successful online entrepreneurs. But remember, time is of the essence. Grab this opportunity while it's still ripe. 2024 promises massive changes, not all of them pleasant. Banks shuttering, increased government control, the advent of central bank digital currencies, stricter personal banking controls and invasive surveillance are all on the horizon. This is your chance to take control of your destiny. Break free from the shackles of paychecks and government-controlled universal income. Check out our free webinar for all the information you need to launch the most lucrative online business venture in 2024. Give this video a like, share it, and save it for future reference. Click the link to learn how to participate in the easiest and fastest way to build an online business and start earning in a matter of days. The best part? It's free to get started, free to access the information, and free to implement some of the quickest money-making methods online. Don't wait. Click the link now and seize the day.